dear students. It's a matter of great pleasure to be here to address you all about the future scope and realities of management education. Management is one such flavored subject, right? It is totally different subject. It's a different course. It's an interdisciplinary subject. Here, management is learned from all the different atmospheres, from different cultures. Management can be learned from everywhere, right? Much is learned from outside. Unlike other degrees, management is something which can be learned from movies, from arts, from games, from exercises, from everywhere. Wrote long back to his Roman Senate, how did you conquer the whole world? Or how did you win the war? He writes in just 3 words, veni, vici, vidi. I came, I saw, I conquered. So exactly, that has become now the flavor of management. If you see the digital marketing companies, just they came, they saw, they observed, and they conquered the market, and they have to sustain in the market. For sustainability, we need to have SQ. IQ is there, EQ is there, and also SQ. SQ stands for spiritual quotient. Be good, do good, and do good businesses. Otherwise, no doubt, you erect a very great business empire. If it is not having ethics, it will go down. So what is the use of such business? And very rightly said by Herbert, VUCA, V-U-C-A. Now exactly, this is the age of VUCA. Can anyone tell me what is the acronym for VUCA? What does V stands for? U, and what does C and A stand for? V stands for volatility. Now the business models have to follow those concepts, that is VUCA concept. V stands for volatility, U for uncertainty, and A for ambiguity, right, and C for complexity. If you take all the business models now that is happening, the businesses, sometimes they are volatile. One design is there, the new design will come, and again the new design will come. So change is something which has to be very, very taken care.
MBA offers a lot of opportunities for you. At the same time, always going for higher education. This gives you to manage your own personal life also, not alone organizations. It's very important for you all to manage your own self. It gives you a good exposure because a lot of universities have come here where they are located in various cities.
MBA as a program is almost 100 years old, so it has always evolved, and therefore the courses have evolved. Right? And this evolution is going to go on forever. Just as the industry changes, the courses will also change.
सबसे पहली बात ये है कि all the students over here, right? You all are aware of the technology. You all are smart in it because everything is smart around us. Yes? Or technology is one such thing which is going to sustain in every business. So whether it is AI, whether it is blockchain, whether it is any other new technology which is going to come in, that is the new future. Okay? So आप लोग अगर अभी से समझ लें ये चीज़ कि MBA सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि हम लोग मैनेज करेंगे, but management through technology, management through adaptability of new things, okay, your innovation, risk taking, these are the things you should be looking at because that is what is the current management scenario and it will be the future as well because यही चीज़ें अपडेट होती जाएंगी. ठीक है, फ्यूचर में भी आप लोग जितना भी नई टेक्नोलॉजी आती जाएंगी उसके साथ आपको कोप करना पड़ेगा. सर ने बात किया था वूका वर्ल्ड लेके, एंड वूका इज नथिंग बट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अडेप्ट टू न्यू थिंग्स, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल, राइट. सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड कुछ चीज़ें आई थी. येस, डेफिनेटली सोसाइटी इज समथिंग एवरी बिजनेसमैन शुड लुक एट, करेक्ट, एंड मैनेजर्स ऑल्सो शुड बी लुकिंग एट, क्योंकि CSR तो भाई ये तो कॉमन सी बात है, अब 2% सारे बिजनेसेस को देना ही पड़ता है, राइट. सो अपना सिर्फ नहीं सोचना है बट अपने सराउंडिंग्स का भी सोचना है. दैट इज व्हाट द बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू बी, एंड वही अभी भी चल रहा है, वो बाद में भी चलता ही.
द इंस्टीट्यूशन एफिलिएटेड टू वन बॉडी, आई मीन कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स जब होगा ना किसी भी बॉडी से एफिलिएशन के बिना वो मान्य नहीं होगा. तो अगर कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन AICTE से अप्रूव्ड है, विल गिव यू अ PGTN. इंस्टीट्यूशन एफिलिएटेड टू UGC will give you MBA degree. That's the only difference of this degree or diploma, whatever you understand, right? So no difference of institution. Rather, I say that I take name also of two institutions. Have you heard name called FMS New Delhi? Yes. कैसा कॉलेज है? ऐसे मत करो। It's very good. Yes. Have you heard name of XLRI, my college? Yes. कौन सा डिग्री देते हैं? नहीं। नहीं। आपको पता ही नहीं है यार। आप तो सिर्फ कॉलेज देखे। Do you know what XLRI gives you? No. What IIM give? नहीं। नहीं। IIM में एडमिशन मिलकर जाओगे? आंख बंद करके। आपने तो पूछा नहीं वहां PhD मिल रहा है या MBA मिल रहा है। So what you are looking at? You're looking at a good college. So please, no college is bad college or good college. आपका परसेंटाइल, आपका प्रोफाइल कितना है, किससे मैच कर रहा है, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. So look at a one good college matching your profile and then you go. So don't look at this PGDM or MBA. Both are same. यूनिवर्सिटी एक बॉडी है, वो दोनों सर्टिफिकेट मान्य होगा. So नाम जो मैंने बताया FMS is a Delhi University Institution, Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi. वो आपको MBA की डिग्री देने वाली है. और सिमिलरली IIM अहमदाबाद या all IIMs gives you PGP, not even PGDM, not even MBA. आपको वो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, आप लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे? आप कहेंगे सर नहीं, इसमें तो MBA लिखा नहीं है सर, इसमें तो PGDM लिखा नहीं है. So look at a one good college, matching your profile, and then you go. You understood the difference?